goodness. Yeah, I know. It's already getting bad. Wow. We have rain coming down, but the big cloud is gone. Oh, it is a little windy. Very rainy. Alright. Here is what we're going through with the hurricane. I hate to open the door because, well, you see. It's a mess. Can't hardly open the door. Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, there you go. Okay. We have a tree down. That's one of my favorite trees. Oh. Oh. But look at all the rest of them. Oh, that's only scarier. That was like my favorite tree. Seriously? Did that one have to fall?
Oh no!
It's my favorite tree.
Oh, I fell that way.
I'm glad it felt that way too. Oh. Oh no, we're gonna lose all our trees. I love those trees. Gosh. Oh no. Just don't come this way. He's crazy. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
They were in there.
Where'd they go?
I don't know, but I hope they'll come back and get
There's
in the
one on
barrel.
that tree.
Well, at least Eddie kept them from getting smushed, because if that tree falls, it's going to fall on, it would have fell on them.
Daddy's gonna try to repair the grill.
I hope I'm not going to videotape your daddy getting knocked in the head by a tree. I mean, really? But you know,
He's seriously gonna try to
he's
move that
going
tree?
to do what he wants to do. Oh gosh, I hear a crack. Sean, get...
You better move.
He needs to move. Oh gosh, he needs to move. Forget about the grill.
It's a stupid grill.
The grill's not that important!
Seriously, he's gonna break it in half trying to do that.
I'm thinking homeowners insurance should cover a grill. Wait, what is it? Where is he going?
Walking in front of the tree that's about to fall.
I know. Is he an idiot?
Not
really?
a good idea.
Oh, we have 3 trees down that we didn't know about. Okay, apparently. This is not good. Oh gosh, Sean, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Blown away.
Oh my gosh, there it goes. He just moved his grill like right in the way of the tree. I mean, really.
Look, he was right in front of it.
Sean. You know what? This makes me sad.
It's so stupid, Daddy. So sad.
This makes me sad because I love my trees.
How are we gonna get them out of the way?
I'm so glad he moved the kitty cats, but I hope that they'll get back in there.
That tree is like right where that barrel was.
Yeah, that tree would have hurt them probably. Oh.
And those little kittens.
Yeah, I'm sad because I love my trees.
Is that little tiger?
Yeah, where's she going?
Under the trees that are about to fall.
Where's little tiger going? Have you seen, since you're already wet, have you seen her kittens? The babies? Oh no. Oh no, they're following you. You want to bring them in for a while? Okay. Okay, it is now almost 2:30. Been without power since 9 a.m. I've resorted to coloring. We've also had SpaghettiOs, cold, and juice boxes. And Daddy is bored out of his mind with no television, no internet. And we're all huddled up in the bedroom because the trees on that side of the house would come down right by the couches if we were to sit there. So anyway, but isn't Pebbles cute? Daddy rescued the babies. This one right here almost died.
Flying around.
He was rolling around in the wind just like a piece of paper towel. Poor baby. He would have died if Daddy hadn't found him.
He's got a cute face. Look at his face.
Now, the bad thing is, maybe we can distinguish between these, but these are a mixture of different females' cats. We have no clue who these other new ones belong to because Daddy just found them rolling around in the wind. And this one, like I said, was almost dead. Daddy actually thought he was a paper towel. He was rolling around like a paper towel on the in the wind. And Daddy was like, "Oh, it's a cat." So yeah, and now it looks like he's gonna make it. What do y'all think? Yeah, he's gonna make it. Oh yeah. So adorable. Yeah.
Oh, she's him.
Okay, all the kittens that Daddy rescued are about to attack One Eye. She's not sure what she thinks about all this.
Poor kitten.
She's like, oh my goodness, where are they coming from? And jump over here, try to get out of the way. Oh no, they're everywhere. Oh no, there's another one. She's like, ooh, you stink. You've been outside too long.
Hey, get off of him!
It's okay, they're playing. It's okay. I think One Eye wants to play too.
Even though she has no idea who she's playing with. Hey, look at them. They want you.
Aww.
Where are you going?
Okay, well, she was being sweet and then she growled.
Go! Go! That way, buddy.
We're gonna be careful because she's growling a little bit here. Don't make her mad.
Look at that one, he's just sitting
She's
there.
like, I don't know where to go.
Look, the black one pinned that one. Look, Sherbert's in the middle.
Okay, and we have the window
Look at
prop open.
Sherbert. Dave,
So we got all
look at
this
Sherbert.
wind coming in.
That black one gets up.
Smokey, we should name him Smokey.
It's okay, one eye. It's okay, baby. She don't know where to go. She said, got so many things in front of me.
He's breathing like, I got candy. Look, they're like, I smell food. Mom, look, those two kids are going to the cook food.
Aw.
Growling at something that's not there.
Okay, she is not liking this very much. Okay, she's not liking this very much. We need to stop.
Hand him to me.
Oh.
She fought him on the booty.
Well, at least she's not hurting them, really. She's gonna...
Poor baby.
Okay. Apparently she likes to swim. Oh, no! Don't let her get the fan! No! She likes to swim when she's put in front of the fan. Okay, put her down. She's like, what was that?
Did you look at her